Hello, today I am going to talk about the DTI foam dry erase blocks. So as you can see, it is yellow. I wasn't looking for these blocks when I found them. I just kind of stumbled across them. I was just shopping and here they are. So I'm going to talk about them because they have served me so well. It's basically this cube. It's made out of a foam, kind of a soft foam. It reminds me of those building blocks I had when I was a kid. It's just very, it doesn't if you throw it against the floor, it's not gonna break anything. It's very soft and lightweight. And it also won't make a big noise. So if you have kids, it's like a great toy to have for them. And it's this cube shape. And they have these circular stickers on them that are actually dry erase stickers. So I will show you that in a second, but you can actually draw on that. So here's my marker, and I am right-handed, so this is gonna be weird, but let's just put an X on it. As you can see, that is an X. So you can draw on this, and then if you don't like it, you can just wipe it away. Which makes it great if you're a teacher and you have to have a makeshift dice, or in general if you lose board game pieces like I do all the time and you lose all of the dice or like to use them for your other games, then this is fine because you can create your own dice. So you can actually put like a 1 and a 2. This is a terrible marker, but you get the idea. Then you throw it, and whatever side you get, that's the number. You can also make other things. I often use this to, instead of flipping a coin, which is a little silly because I could just flip a coin, but it's fun. It's like a magic 8-ball. I put different answers on here, different things, and then I roll it and I decide what to do. So say I can't decide what movie I want to see. At the movie theater, I'll put them all on each side, like one movie per side, and then I'll roll it, and whatever movie is on here, that's the one I'll go see. So it's more for me because I'm very indecisive, which is an odd thing to have, but it definitely does the job. It is very lightweight and it's great for learning. I remember my teacher in grade school had something like this for math and probability. And you can get these in packs of 2. I got this one alone. I've had this one for 7 months, and as you can see, there are some areas that are kind of peeling off, so it's definitely not in the best shape. But then again, I am the kind of person who kind of just throws things under my bed and doesn't really put them away properly, so keep that in mind. It's very gentle. If you hit someone in the head with this, they probably wouldn't feel it. I'm not advising you to do that though. And I think the dry erase markers are really fun. You can do different designs, and I wouldn't say this is a great gift idea, especially for an adult, maybe a kid, but I think you could do better for a kid. Even. This is just a utensil, and it's a fun thing to play around with. It's great for parties. If you're playing some kind of game and you need a dice, it's nice to have this one. And I don't travel with this. I feel like it's too bulky. It's too bulky to carry around. It's too bulky to take on a trip. I also don't really know why I'd take it on a trip. As far as flipping a coin goes, I just use a coin in that case. And I've never replaced this. When it doesn't make any crashing sound or anything. It is not bouncy when you throw it on the floor, so just keep that in mind. It's not going to bounce right up again. It's very straightforward. It's just a very straightforward utensil, and what you see is what you get. It also comes in red and yellow, and it is 3 inches each side. And because it's a cube. It's by Greenbrier, and they have very random items for all ages and situations. I would check them out. And yeah, so I hope you like this video.